Discuss about artificial intelligence and robotics. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulations of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like human and mimic their actions. The term may also be applied to any machines habit traits associated with the human mind such as learning and problem solving. The ideas characteristics of artificial intelligence is ability to rationalize and take actions that have the best chance of achieving specific goal. A subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which refer the concept that computers programs can automatically learn from and adapt to new data without being assisted by humans. Deep learning techniques enable this automatic learning through the absorptions of huge amounts of unstructured data such as text, images, or videos. When most people hear the terms artificial intelligence, the first thing that usually thinks of is robotics. That's because big budgets and novels weave stories about human-like machines that wreaks havoc on Earth, but nothing could be further from the truth. Artificial intelligence is based on the principles that a human intelligence can be defined in a way that a machine can easily and execute tasks from the most simple to those that are even more complex. The goals of artificial intelligence include mimicking humans' cognitive activity. Researchers and developers in the field are making surprisingly rapid strides in mimicry activities such as learning, reasoning, and perceptions to the extent that these can be concurrently defined. Some believes that involving may soon be able to develop systems that execute the capacity of humans to learn reasons out any subject. But other remains skeptical because all cognitive activity is lacked with value judgments that are subject to human experience. As technology advances, previously benchmark that defines artificial intelligence become outdated. For example, machines that calculate basic functions or recognize text through optical characters recognized are no longer considered to embody artificial intelligence, since this function is now taken for granted as an inherent computer function. The application for artificial intelligence are rules. The technologies can be applied to many different sectors and industries. Artificial intelligence is being tested and used in the healthcare industry for dosing drugs and different treatment in patient and for surgical procedure in the operating room. Other examples of machines with artificial intelligence include computers that play chess and self-driving cars.